Hi, and thank you for joining me, Joe Unwin, also known as FlowJo, on another PowerFx video. Today, we're going to be looking at the lower function, and this is an important text function for converting your text into lowercase. Now, what do I mean by converting it to lowercase? Well, as you can see on your screen here, I've got FlowJo in all capitals. But what I want is that I want all of that to be in lowercase. I don't want any capitalization at all. Now, this is important to understand because it's not going to use proper casing. It's not going to capitalize F, for example. It's going to make every single character lowercase. Then what's going to happen is I'm going to have an output of FlowJo in all lowercase characters, and I would have converted my uppercase to lowercase. Now, this may be important for doing some comparisons or anything like that. So let's say your data is coming from multiple sources. It's quite messy. You've got everything in different variations. Some are uppercase, some are lowercase, some are proper case, and you're wanting to convert everything to lowercase to do some comparisons. Well, this is how you can do it. Let's go through some examples and see it in action. So I've actually got three examples. I've got one where it's full uppercase. I've got one where you've got some characters are uppercase, some characters are lowercase. And then we're going to look at what happens if it's already lowercase and see if we have any issues with that. Because if you've got data coming from all different areas and some are lowercase already, and you're passing them into a lower function, we're going to see if there are actually any errors or you can actually work with this. So the first one then is just the standard, everything is uppercase and we want to convert it into lowercase. As you can see here, I've got lower, I'm opening the parentheses and I'm passing in the text that is all uppercase, and it's converted it to FlowJo, all lowercase. Perfect, works great. Now what happens then if I've got some characters that are capitalized and some that are not? Or as you can see here, again, it all converts it into lowercase. Now, let's say you have three different data sources. Some are proper case, some are uppercase, and some are lowercase, and you're trying to combine them all, but you're passing everything into this lower function just to make sure that everything is correct. What happens then if you've already got lowercase? Does it throw an error? Well, it doesn't. What it does is it just ignores it. It just leaves it as a lowercase subset. So you've got FlowJo come through as lowercase, and it just says, okay, FlowJo is lowercase. Congratulations, you've got your lowercase stuff output. And that is how easy it is to convert any case, be it upper, be it proper, or even convert lowercase to lowercase on PowerFx. If you have any comments or questions, just leave a comment below. And if you would like to support the channel, hit that like and subscribe button to help me grow and make more videos. Thank you for joining me on this video, and I look forward to seeing you on another one.